Dr. Peter, I'm concerned about Ryan's recovery from his recent knee injury. He's been struggling to regain his full strength and mobility.
That's understandable. Recovery from a knee injury can be a lengthy process. Have you considered the role of nutrition in his recovery, Mihira?
Yes, I believe nutrition plays a crucial role. Adequate protein intake is essential for muscle repair and growth. Are there any specific dietary recommendations you would suggest?
A balanced diet with plenty of lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is crucial. It's also important to ensure he's staying hydrated.
I'll advise Ryan to consult with a registered dietitian to develop a personalized meal plan. Are there any supplements that could be beneficial for his recovery?
While supplements can be helpful, Mihira, it's important to focus on a balanced diet as the foundation. However, we could consider supplements such as omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and support tissue repair.
Thank you for your advice. I'll work with Ryan to incorporate these recommendations into his recovery plan.
I want to reassure you that you are going to be completely okay, Mihira. What you are dealing with is a superficial dermal burn, which means it is a relatively mild injury that only affects the top layers of your skin. Because it doesn't go deep, your skin actually has an incredible ability to repair itself from this kind of trauma. Taking care of it right now is mostly about simple, gentle first aid to support that natural healing process. We want to focus on keeping the area cool, clean, and properly protected from any irritation. Applying a soothing topical treatment will keep the skin hydrated, while drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet will give your body the internal fuel it needs to rebuild. Mihira, the best news is that you can expect a full and beautiful recovery. These types of burns typically heal completely within about 14 days without any major complications. Because the deeper layers of skin are entirely untouched, you don't need to worry about long-term damage, as it usually leaves behind absolutely no scarring or, at worst, a tiny mark that will fade away over time. Just take it easy, be gentle with yourself, and let your body do its wonderful work.